Even this is Dr. A.T. Now today we are going to explain this partial differential equation problem. Z equals to cos x by sin y. Now differentiating this function of z partially with respect to x and partially with respect to y. First of all, here differentiating partially with respect to x, then dou by dou x of z. With respect to x means sin y is the constant, only differentiating here cos x. Cos x means minus sin x by sin y, as it is right here. This is dou z by dou x. Now differentiating partially with respect to y, that is dou by dou y of z. Here cos x is the constant. One by sin y. Now differentiating 1 by sin y. Here differentiation of 1 by x means we know that minus 1 by x square. In place of x, sin y is there. Therefore 1 by sin y means minus 1 by sin square y. Again sin y means differentiating cos y. Okay, totally here differentiation of dou z by dou y means minus cos x by sin square y into cos y. Then minus cos x into here only 1 sin y, that is 1 by sin y means cosecant y. Cos y by remaining sin y means cot y. Totally dou z by dou y, that is differentiation of partially with respect to y by the given function z means minus cos x into cot y into cosecant y. Dou z by dou x means minus sin x by sin y. Okay, thank you.